Villanova, a community that is made for those who shape tomorrow. My name is Sarah Arthur, and here is what's happening on site this month. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, Madam Sarah.
Yes, who is back?
Yes, it's good to be back.
Yeah. Okay. So, Engineer Bright, give us the highlights of this month's construction.
Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of activity going on. And where we are standing now is Zone 1.
Okay.
And we have started with the backfilling, the hardcore filling. So you can see 201, we are done with the dash coating for internal and the external, which we have started with the plastering work.
Beautiful.
Yes, and for the MEP first fix, we are done with the ground floor and the first floor. As you can see,
looking beautiful.
The rooftop is actually in shape.
Very nice. It's come up very fast.
That's good. And according to our last report, the driveway, the columns were not erected. Now you can see that one.
Yeah, I can see. Yes. That's something new too.
On my left too, we have a new zone, which we are done with the setting out. So probably the next time you come here, we will finish with the blinding.
That would be beautiful. I mean, I can't wait. Construction is moving really fast, and then I must say that I'm really happy about it.
It's always good to be here.
Okay, so we'll see you next month.
Thank you very much.
Villanova is a community of high-performance achievers and legacy builders, designed for those who make things happen, cultivate influence, and surround themselves with like-minded professionals. With flexible and custom plans, every corner is tailored for smart, secure, and family-friendly living. That is some tough work. Okay, one more month update, and we wrap it up for 2025. Join this exclusive community and take advantage of our end-of-year offers to own one of the beautiful homes here in Villanova. Villanova, every corner tells your story.